This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 3709 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Roka Decor, Bermuda Glazed Maple Hardwood-MF interior, Sleeps 2, Colorado Detector, TV antenna, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, self-contained, Skylight, slideout, stovetop burner, TV, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 3709 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.